Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Hacker Stacker channel. If you're new to stacking, you may have noticed that there are some pieces of bullion that comes in this soft, clear plastic or vinyl. And you may say to yourself, hey, it's protected. It was not going to tarnish. It's not exposed to air because it's sealed. And I don't need anything else to keep my silver from tarnishing. But this purchase this morning shows that this isn't true. Folks, I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, so be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell to get notifications on new content. It's only with your support this channel can continue to grow. Now, I'm not referring to these flips. These are just little open-end envelopes to put rounds and coins in. These are not airtight. They're just to keep your silver or gold or whatever you put in there from getting scratched. They're not airtight. This morning I went to a local bullion dealer, and not seeing what I wanted to purchase, a 10-ounce RCM bar, I asked if they had one of them in the vault. They looked, and sure enough they did. So this was the end of my allowance. But when I got home, I noticed something that I missed at the store. Not that it's a big deal, but not even the factory vinyl was keeping this from tarnishing. If you look right up here in this corner of the bar, you can see a little bit of brown. That means this silver is tarnishing. Now, I don't know if it's going to show up very well in the video, so I'll take a photograph and throw it up on the screen if it doesn't. But right up here in the corner, you can see a little bit of brown. Same thing on the back side, on the other corner. There is just a little bit of tan color. It isn't much, but it shows that vinyl is not that much protection against tarnish. And this isn't the first time I've purchased silver in vinyl that has tarnished. Truth be told, I've seen much worse. Now, if you want to dip your silver and make it all nice and shiny, you do you. Myself, I'm going to cut this out, treat it for the tarnish, and then put it in a solid plastic capsule. Not that this is going to protect it from varnish, but it keeps it from getting scratched because this vinyl has already been compromised. There's already a cut right down here, and on the front, it is open. There has been a cut that has been opened completely, and I could, if I wanted to, slide a toothpick or something into that bar. But I thought I'd make this quick video to let you know that vinyl in and of itself is not an end-all, be-all, do-all solution for tarnish. In the meantime, stack what you like what you stack, keep on stacking, and I'll see you in the next video.